Batteries we're developing today for both a commuter and urban air mobility are roughly a tonne in weight, and we divide them up into units such that you're not reliant on one battery and to be always available for your mission. And they're around a metre long and about 200 metres square. And of course, as energy density improves in cell technology, we'll get even more energy out of those weights and volumes. We're very focused on accessing the very best performing technology that is available, largely driven by automotive in terms of performing chemistry, but we take that technology and make sure we give it minimal overheads to get a safe, robust, reliable solution with performance that meets what the aircraft needs. So we're taking the chemistry from those that are developing it and placing it in the aircraft to give the best proposition for the customer. We have a strong safety case and a view on how we will engineer cells into safe solutions. The challenge I want to nail here is the mechanical and thermal part of this electrical engineering. I mean, it's something that Rolls-Royce is really strong at, so I'm very confident we can bring those skills in. But optimising that, going through sufficient iteration loops before we launch the product is what I really want, because I want really differentiated products in the market.